Let's dive into MaintainX and see how it can help streamline your business operations, whether you're managing a team or working behind the scenes. From setting up your account to managing work orders and generating insightful reports, we'll walk you through all the important features step by step. By breaking things down into easy-to-understand sections, you'll be able to quickly get up to speed and make the most out of the platform. Whether you're trying to improve your maintenance processes, track assets, or stay on top of your team's tasks, MaintainX offers a comprehensive solution to keep everything running smoothly. Let's start with the basics and get you all set up in MaintainX. If you're new to the platform, the first thing you need to do is create an account. Simply click the Create Free Account button to begin the process. If you're already a user, just go ahead and log in. If you're a business owner or manager, you'll be setting up a new organization. This step is where you'll enter details like your full name, phone number, and email address. Make sure to choose a secure password and review the terms of service before proceeding. After that, you'll likely receive a verification code to confirm your identity either by phone or email, which is an important security step. Once your account is verified, you'll move on to setting up your organization's profile. This includes adding your company's logo, giving it a name, and selecting your industry. Picking the right industry ensures MaintainX can customize its tools and features to best suit your business needs. You'll also be asked about certain features like inventory management, time tracking, and cost tracking. You can enable or disable any of these features as needed, and you can always come back to make changes later. After setting up the basics, MaintainX will automatically configure essential information such as your locations, assets, and other important details for the platform to function smoothly. Once everything is ready, you'll be welcomed to the main dashboard where you can start exploring the different sections like work orders, reporting, asset management, team messages, and your procedure library. There's even an introductory tour to help familiarize you with the interface. Managing your team and vendors is a core feature of MaintainX, and getting everything set up is simple and efficient. Let's start with inviting your team members. Head over to the Teams and Users section on your dashboard. From there, click Invite Users to begin adding employees to your account. Enter their full name, email address, or phone number, and select their role. The roles available are Administrator, Requester, or Full User, each giving different levels of access and control. If you prefer, you can even generate a direct invitation link for your employees, which they can use to join your organization at their convenience. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be officially added to your team in MaintainX. Creating teams within your organization is just as straightforward. In the same Teams and Users section, you'll find the option to create new teams. You can give each team a specific name, description, and assign relevant members to each one. This functionality helps you group employees according to their department, function, or role, making communication and task management much smoother. Now, let's look at adding vendors. Navigate to the Vendors section and click on New Vendor. Here, you'll input essential details like the vendor's name, and you can upload images or documents to keep track of relevant information. You'll also be able to add a primary contact person for the vendor and provide any additional descriptions. An important feature is the ability to link vendors to specific locations or assets, which ensures your team can easily identify which vendors are associated with which parts of the business, making vendor management much more organized. Let's dive into locations, a key part of managing your assets and resources effectively. In the Locations section of MaintainX, you'll find the option to create new locations. By clicking New Location, you'll be prompted to enter important details, such as the name of the location, the full address, and a brief description of the site. Additionally, you can assign specific teams to oversee each location, ensuring the right people are always responsible for monitoring and maintaining that area. You also have the ability to link vendors to locations, which can be incredibly helpful for managing third-party services tied to specific areas or assets. After setting up locations, the next step is adding meters, which are incredibly useful for tracking resource usage across your locations. For example, if you want to track the water usage in a specific facility, you can add a meter to monitor this. When setting up a meter, you will specify the unit of measurement, whether it's miles for vehicles, kilowatts for energy consumption, or gallons for water usage. Additionally, you'll define the frequency of readings, daily, weekly, etc., so you can easily keep tabs on how resources are being consumed. MaintainX also lets you set up work order triggers based on meter readings. For instance, you could create an automated work order if the water meter reading exceeds a preset limit. This ensures that any irregularities in resource usage are immediately addressed, minimizing the risk of larger operational issues down the line. This feature is especially valuable for preventing overuse and ensuring efficient resource management. The procedure library in MaintainX serves as a centralized space for all your operational guidelines, SOPs, and any documents your team needs to follow. Whether it's a detailed maintenance procedure or a simple checklist, this library helps you maintain consistency across your processes. You can either create templates from scratch or upload your existing documents to organize everything efficiently. Efficient management of parts is key to ensuring that your maintenance operations run smoothly and without unnecessary interruptions. In the Parts Inventory section of MaintainX, you can add new parts with detailed specifications such as part names, quantities, minimum stock levels, unit costs, descriptions, and barcodes. Each part can be assigned categories to make them easier to manage and identify, and you can even link parts to specific locations and assets, which adds another layer of organization. This can be especially helpful if you're managing a wide variety of equipment across different locations. You can also assign each part to a specific vendor, which allows you to quickly reorder parts from the same supplier if necessary. MaintainX helps streamline your supply chain and makes it simple to track parts movements, whether they're being used on an asset or stored in a specific location. One of the most valuable features is the ability to set up automatic reordering. When parts reach the minimum stock level, the system can automatically alert you or place an order to replenish your inventory. This automation prevents disruptions that could occur if you run out of critical parts during an active project. By having complete visibility and control over your parts inventory, you ensure that maintenance work can continue uninterrupted, boosting your overall efficiency and reducing downtime. This proactive approach is vital for businesses that rely on consistent operational performance. Assets are the foundation of your maintenance operations, and keeping track of them efficiently is crucial. In the Assets section of MaintainX, you can add new assets by filling in a variety of important details to ensure comprehensive tracking. This includes the asset name, its specific location, a thorough description, and additional information like serial numbers, models, and the manufacturer. You can also specify the year of manufacture, which helps when considering warranties or maintenance schedules based on the asset's age. The system allows you to assign the appropriate team or department to each asset, ensuring that responsibilities are clearly defined. You can categorize your assets by type, such as machinery, vehicles, or tools, which helps with sorting and filtering for easier management. Additionally, Linking assets to specific vendors allows for seamless coordination when you need parts or services related to the equipment. To make it even easier to identify and track assets, MaintainX allows you to upload images of each one, so your team can visually recognize the equipment they are working on. This visual component helps reduce errors or confusion during maintenance tasks and ensures that the correct equipment is always being serviced or used. With a comprehensive and organized asset management system in place, you'll be able to keep your operations running smoothly while also extending the lifespan of your valuable assets. Work orders are at the core of MaintainX, as they enable you to manage and track tasks effectively. To create a work order, head over to the Work Orders section and click New Work Order. From there, you'll start by providing a detailed description of the task at hand. This could range from routine maintenance to urgent repairs, depending on your needs. You can even add relevant images or documents to give your team a clearer understanding of the issue or task. One helpful feature is the ability to link the work order directly to a procedure from your procedure library. This ensures that employees perform the work according to predefined steps and maintain consistency in the quality of their output. By following standard operating procedures, you help ensure that tasks are done right every time. You also have flexibility when assigning work orders. You can set the due date, priority level, e.g., high, medium, low, and specify a schedule. You can assign the work order to the right employee based on their role or skill set, and choose the location and asset tied to the task. Additionally, parts from your inventory can be linked to the work order, ensuring that your team has everything they need to complete the job. For more complex tasks, you can categorize work orders by type, such as electrical, plumbing, or HVAC. You can even assign external vendors if a task requires specialized expertise. Once the work order is in progress, you can track its status and keep everyone updated. MaintainX allows you to mark it as open, in progress, on hold, or complete. Team members can add comments or updates, which keeps communication fluid and transparent throughout the entire process. This work order system helps streamline maintenance tasks, ensuring everything runs efficiently, that no steps are missed, and that work gets done on time. MaintainX includes a messaging feature that allows you to communicate with your team members. You can send direct messages or participate in group conversations. The reporting feature provides valuable insights into your maintenance operations. You can generate reports on work order status, completion rates, priorities, and other key metrics. You can also customize the reporting period, daily, weekly, monthly, to track trends over time. The Settings section is where you manage your organization's settings, subscriptions, data, and account details. You can enable or disable features like time tracking, cost tracking, and the meters module. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So dive in, explore the platform, and start streamlining your maintenance operations.